Carson, where are we?
Great Wolf Lodge.
In Grapevine?
Yeah.
That's the surprise. Great Wolf Lodge, guys. We're here 2 nights.
Yeah.
So let's go find the elevators up to our room.
I think that
Want to go look at the water park?
looks so big.
Whoa.
Oh, they have a bucket.
Well, look how cool the kid area looks.
That looks cool. Oh my gosh, look, the toilet pool. Fine.
So fun. Can you howl?
How?
Can you howl? Where's your ears?
Right here, but I'm not gonna put them
Oh my
on.
god. Can you howl? Cody, howl.
Hello.
He's ready to swim.
Look.
Okay, well, we need to get to our room and go swimming because I'm ready to swim. Yeah, the Grapevine Great Wolf Lodge was recently remodeled, I think just a couple months ago. So everything's gonna be nice and shiny and new. And we are in the kid cabin suite.
Yeah, see, it's the kids' den.
Yep, so we have the kids' den.
I want to sleep on top. I'm sitting on top.
It's a pretty big room. In here, what do we got? 2 bunk beds, another bed down here, and then a queen bed and a sofa bed. And a lot of room. Come on in, guys. Okay, guys, we are on the GoPro. It's been a long time since I've used this. We are going to the water park. Everyone got their swimsuits on? Camden? Alright, we're in. Look at the little kid area over here. Carter, hold on. Let's get you a life jacket, okay? So they have a lazy river over here. And then this kid area is so fun. Wave pool, and then the big water slides up there.
Hi guys, so we are on the River Canyon right now. There's Cody. So we're gonna go on it, guys. I'm so scared. Yeah, I want to go backwards. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, guys!
Yeah, that river canyon ride was way faster than I remember it. Wasn't that fun?
Yeah. Cody, you want to come
He's
down
fine.
here?
He's good. Cody, do you like that slide?
Yes. Cody.
Okay, let's go. Go. Go up. Good luck, guys. Bye, Cody. Oh, why am I going first on this thing? Thank you. Oh, God. Woo! Woo! Oh my God! This is crazy. Oh! What the heck? Oh my God, I am soaked now. I wasn't wet yet. Oh my God. I'm getting flushed like a big old turd. We're doing another lap. Oh! Oh God! Oh God, getting flushed. Oh! Woo! Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. That was so much fun. I don't know if Cody's gonna like it or not. I might get scared. Is that fun? Cody, did you like that slide? Yes or no? Okay, let's go on another slide. Okay, me and Cody are going on the yellow slide. Woo! Sit down, Cody. Oh! We literally almost flipped over. Oh Hold on, Code. I can't see where I'm going. Oh God! Why am I going backwards? Oh God, it's so dark. Oh God! We're gonna drop. Ah! Holy crap! Oh my God! I don't like it. Oh my God! No thanks. That was so scary. Oh, that was terrifying. I literally thought we were gonna die. Yeah, that was it. I think that was enough for me. Oh my God. Whew.
Okay, I'm gonna go somewhere.
Did you like it?
Yeah. Hi guys, so we're gonna go on the orange side. So yeah. I'll see you guys when I get on there. So bye. Okay guys, we're gonna go on. So see you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, guys. Okay.
Camden! Camden, do you go on the slides? Go, show me. Good job, Cody. Camden chickened out. He's going on the staircase over there. Show me. Go on the slide with Cody.
With Cody! Hands the back! Yes, we did it!
Yeah, Cody! Woo! High five! Good job, buddy. The blue slide came. Go wait in line again. Cody's coming down the blue slide. Yay, Cody! And go! Underwater! Do again. 3, 2, 1. Come on, Cody, let's do it, buddy.
I had a life jacket on before, and I fell into the water, and it's kind of deep.
Yeah, it's like 4 feet deep.
Yeah.
Alright, we are at Grapevine Mall going to Rainforest Cafe. Have you been there before, Chloe?
Yeah,
You haven't been there, have you, Carter?
Yellow
No.
rain.
All of ours closed. And the Disneyland one closed. Alright, we made it.
Yeah, I see a frog.
How fun is this?
I can. Oh, hi,
And there's, I gotta go to the elephant. It's where your adventure starts.
Yeah,
It hasn't changed.
I can.
The fog. And there's that. Whoa, look at the alligator.
Friends and home.
Hi.
She's kind of creepy.
Yeah, she is.
Look at the fish. That's cool. Camden. Camden. Camden, say hi, everyone. This place is cool, huh? Look, you can even see the nighttime sky up there.
What do you want for your side?
What are you gonna get, do you think? Okay, something's happening. The monkeys are moving over here. Oh, look at that one's moving over there too, and they're swinging in the trees. In a minute, Critter. Whoa.
What? I got. What? Oh, hi, Dad. Oh, hi.
Say hi. I see him.
He's on a tonic. They just on a tonic. No, they're not. They're actually real.
Oh my god, we're in the middle of a storm.
Oh, there's a thunderstorm.
I'm like soaking wet from the rain. I'm soaking wet from the rain. It's raining so hard.
Wait, I felt rain. It feels like.
It feels like it? for cover, Chloe. That monkey over there is tweaking over. Well, that was cool, wasn't it? Do you like that, Camden? That was cool, huh?
It looks like it's a thunderstorm at nighttime.
Right? But it's daytime.
Yeah.
Okay, so I ordered the fish and chips. Chloe, what did you get?
Yeah.
Mac and cheese? Yum. I know, look at the size of these fish. They're freaking massive. What'd you get? Pizza?
Yeah.
Cody got pizza. Carter, what'd you get?
Biscotti
Carson, what'd you get? Cooper, what'd you get?
Hot dog and French fries. Watch me eat it.
How's yours?
It's really good.
Okay, so we are doing something so special. We're gonna do Camden's birthday. Are they gonna sing happy birthday to you, Cam?
Yeah.
How old are you gonna be?
2, 3.
3, yeah.
Yeah, 3.
Go.
So Camden is 2. Now you would turn 3.
Watch this. Walk away and it will follow you. Camden, your birthday ice cream.
Have your attention, please. Today we got Camden 23 years old. Can I get a big round of applause, please? Alright, guys, so three, cover me. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, brother, to you. Make a special day for you. Hope you're super happy. Happy birthday, Rainforest Cafe.
Hey, blow out your candle. Blow, don't burn it. There you go. Happy birthday, Camden.
I love you, baby.
Hey, don't do that.
Okay, Carson, give me your 20-second review of the Rainforest Cafe. 20-second review of Rainforest Cafe.
What?
Go.
1 second.
Go.
10.
Tell me what you liked about it.
That there's animals and then there's a storm and it feels like I got wet.
Yeah, well, did I splash you?
Yeah.
Cooper, how'd you like it?
The first time it felt like
How'd you like it?
It was great, and yeah, and we're gonna go back to the water park and.
Okay, guys, it is checkout day at Grapevine Lodge. We're gonna go downstairs and show you some of the stuff they have here. Like the bowling, laser tag, virtual frontier, the arcade, the food hall, mining, and whatever else that we see down there. All right, so level 2 got all this stuff. Level 1 has all the stuff like the water park. Over here is the Magic Quest shop. Magic Quest is like a game you can play. We didn't do that game this time. Have you done that game before, Cooper?
Do what?
Magic Quest?
Yeah, the grand round one
Is it
and
fun?
mining.
And over here's the bowling alley. And what's cool about this bowling alley is the lanes are smaller for little kids. And you can see how small the balls are. Let's go in there and look at it. Yeah. Super fun, right?
Yeah.
And for bowling, it's $7 a person or $25 for a family. And over here's the ice cream, which is not open right now. Pretzel maker, which is super good. I think we can actually order you your food right now if you want.
Yeah, I want the pretzels.
Over here's virtual frontier, laser tag, which the laser tag is $7.99 a person or $29 for a group of 4 to 8. So if you have 4 to 8, that's the way to go. The virtual frontier is like $60, so we didn't do that. The food hall, you order food, they've got fat burger, hot dog on a stick, and buffalo like wings, I think. Not Buffalo Wild Wings, but wings. Over here is Build-A-Bear, or Build-A-Wolf it should be called. And then Oliver Mining Company, where you can mine for gold, real gold too. It's actually not real though. And then over here's the arcade, the casino for kids. We spent more money at this arcade in 30 minutes than we did for a year of our Chuck E. Cheese pass.
Yeah, like Grand Mountain arcade is like bigger, like the Northern Lights arcade. Grand
Yeah, the Grand Mound one is definitely bigger. Let's walk around. It's loud, it's bright. It's like crack for kids. Those are my favorite games, these ones, the coin ones. Look how tall that thing is.
Oh my goodness.
Are you gonna race? So that's it. It's a pretty small arcade, honestly. And then what else do we need to show them? Is there anything else down here that the water park? We can go take a peek at the water park. Okay, so this is like some kind of like VR racing game. That sounds like a great way to throw up. Okay, Cooper, what else can we show them down here? Is there anything else? It's kind of loud in here. I don't know if you guys can hear us. That's pretty cool. Look how big those are. Big balls. Then all the prizes over here, but the prizes are kind of lame. Can you win her?
Yeah, I just push this button.
That would be cool to win that. And then the water parks over here, they open at 10.
They're open now.
Okay, let's go get our food and then go to the water park because Mom's waiting for us.